High-pressure ball press is mainly used to press pulverized coal, iron powder, aluminium powder, kaolin, activated carbon, coke and other powder, waste slag. High-pressure ball press in the use of routine maintenance is very necessary for the high-pressure ball press itself to carry out regular maintenance. Often check the performance of each component, such as whether the screw off or whether the lubricating oil is added, and so on. Found problems should be solved in time, lest small problems lead to big accidents, cause machine damage. Operators should also master the solutions to common faults. Scientific use can make the high-pressure ball press work for a long time. In addition, for the pressing of different materials, to choose the right type of ball press, choose the right ball press equipment. These materials want to achieve the desired shape is very difficult.